Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are a Roblox user but the Roblox says no network, please retry when connected to the internet on iPhone and iPad. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch App Store and search for Roblox and update the Roblox app if the update is available. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then launch settings and tap on Journal. Here we have to tap on VPN and device management and tap on VPN and make sure that no VPN is connected. Then tap on iPhone storage and tap on Roblox, then tap offload app and offload to confirm. After that, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart, go back to App Store and re-download the application. Here we are going to check one more thing, that is settings, journal, software update, and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. If none of these is not working, then we have to launch the App Store and search for 1.1 and you will see this VPN 1.1.1.1 fast internet. Tap to open. Then tap next, accept, install VPN profile, allow, touch ID or face ID, allow notification, allow, and connect. Now your problem will be solved. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.